Hey, this is Chris from Guitar Basics. How you all doing? If you are just playing guitar, whether you're a beginner, your left hands probably sometimes feels a bit tired. So to make it easy, I got two exercises for you today. One is beginning one, and another one is a little bit tougher, which is gonna help you strengthen your hands. You'll put little bit dexterities in your fingers, and which is gonna make you help you play a little bit longer, and you won't gonna feel the pain, so you can play more better next time. So let's start this exercise. Make you possible to play longer and without feeling any pain. So these exercises are specifically for your left hand. This just don't involve your right hand. The first one is we're gonna our fingers will gonna be on the 5th fret. One finger in per fret, and the 5th fret. Yeah. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. One finger off at a time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna practice one finger off at a time while leaving the other fingers on the same place. For some of you, this is gonna be very easy, depending on the other things you're gonna do in your life, like typing or whatever. So when you're gonna come to 3rd or 4th finger, you're gonna see like it's gonna be a little bit tough. Realize that you can't really bring it out as much as like those other fingers, especially the 3rd and 4th finger. So you're gonna realize that it will gonna be easy for you to move your 1st and 2nd finger, but it will gonna be a bit hard on your 3rd and 4th finger to move along. So you'll have to keep on practicing. Just keep that in mind, that not all the fingers can go out at a time, just one at a time. Okay? Yeah. You see one thing, that you have two fingers, like 1st and 2nd finger, right? They have the big split, right? They have the bigger split, right? But the 3rd finger and 4th finger, they don't have that much split, so you have to work a bit hard on those fingers. So right, really a part of the same exercise, what you have to do next is, after you have done it a couple of times continuously, what you're gonna do next is after doing these things couple of times, what you're gonna do is you're gonna arch your fingers on the 6 strings all at a time. 6 strings, arch your fingers, and after doing arching your finger on that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start taking them off and putting it on at the same time, just like that first thing we showed you guys today. Like this, yeah. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna arch your fingers, put them on the 6th string, put all of them on the 6th string. Just gonna practice taking them off and putting it on the same times, one at a time. Afterwards, you're gonna move down to 5th string, doing the same thing. Doing just like that. Then you're gonna move back to 4th string. You're gonna keep on doing it just like that. Then we're going to come to 3rd string, third string. Then you're going to come to second string. And you have to move smoothly. At the end you're going to come to first string. After finishing that, you're going to start on from the ground to up. Let's take for instance, you're going to start from first string, then you're going to move back to second string like that, then you're going to move back to third string, then your fourth string, then fifth, and sixth, and you keep on doing it like that. So by doing this, you know your finger will gonna learn, you know, they're gonna start to move individually. So in that way, in the future when you're gonna do fingering with the guitars, finger styles, it will gonna help you, you know, help you a lot with your guitar playing. Do this every time, every day, 2 or 3 times, 4 times, no problem, 5 times you can do it. If you do it, it will gonna help you, you know, help you with your playing. And no worries if you play slow, you know, your fingers can't move, you know. So if you keep on practicing, it will gonna slowly, you're gonna learn how to play faster and move your fingers faster. So don't worry if you can't pull it out in the first gig, you know. So keep on practicing, and I hope you can, you know, nail it. It's not a big deal. Okay, these are the 2, you know, finger practice that I told you guys or showed you guys. Keep on practicing, and eventually you're gonna learn how to play more better. No worries, first time we all make mistakes, no problem. Eventually you're gonna get the hang out of it. So this is it for today. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Ciao.